Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share you what you can do if your device Redmi 11 Prime is lagging or working slow. So if you face this problem with Redmi 11 Prime, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix this problem in your device.